All right, guys. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time or seeing this video about this very indicator for the first time, I want you to look at this. You can see where this indicator gave us a sell signal, and then you can see where it gave us a buy signal and price is buying also. So that's just how the result of this indicator works. Okay, the result is very good. Now I want to show you how to install this indicator in your system without any issue or any hassle, so you can get a maximum results from it. Mind you, there are two indicators here. You can see this tiny line and then this thick line with this thick arrow. You can see this other one and this. Okay, so this one here is for confirmation. When you see the both of them, then you can take the setup, can take the trade. But when you see only one, you will not take it. Okay, because it may not be valid. They have to be two. The both of them have to appear before you take a trade. That's just how it works, right? Can see how good it is. Meanwhile, let's go straight. Let me show you how to install this indicator on your system. So the indicator works so well, like amazingly well. With this, you can have a win rate up to 90%. Okay, you can have a win rate up to 90%. It doesn't trade for you. It only gives you signal to trade. It gives you buy and sell signal. That's how it works. Okay, when the red one appears, you sell. When the blue one appears, you buy. So this is it. All you need to do is just install it on your system, monitor it. Whenever it appears, you take your trade. All right, when it shows you arrow down, you sell. When it shows you arrow up, you buy. Simple. So let me show you guys how to install it. So first of all, assuming I send it to you via Telegram like this. Meanwhile, my Telegram link is in the description box of this video. You can contact me to get this indicator. Okay, there are two. We have the first one, the easy trade indicator. Then we have the second one, the support resistance level ultimate trader. You need both of them. You need the both of them for the best performance, right? A combo of both of them will give you the best performance and highest win rates. So all you need to do is left click on this thing like this. After downloading it, left click on it, then it's going to bring this up before you, and then you click on open. Okay, click on open. When you click on open like this, it's going to take you to your MT5 direct. Mind you, these indicators work only for MT5 and not MT4, so you have to install MT5 on your system. So when it comes up like this, all you need to do is just click on you can see this here, click on it. Yep, then it will appear. Good, you have it here. You have it right here. This is it. So I have it. It has appeared 2 times. That's because I already had it in my system. I already had it on my MT5. That's why it has appeared 2 times. And look at this place. This is where you have it. So this is it. I have it here. So you can see I also have the second one. Actually, I have the both of them already. I'm using them. So, but I'm just showing you how to install it. Just showing you guys how to install it. So let's go for the second one. Now we want to install the support and resistance level. So left click on it. Also left click on it. It will show you this open. Click open, and then it will take you to your MT5 automatically also. So this is the easiest way to install it. Okay, so it will take you to MT5. Now it's asking you if you want to overwrite the previous one because it's there already. So I will say no, I don't want to override it because I already have it. But you not having it already, it will just install there directly without asking you these questions. So I click on no because I already have it. That's it. So when you want to put it on your chart, all you need to do is to click and drag. Okay, click, hold and drag it like this. Okay, so it's here. If I leave it, it will appear. Look at it. It will appear like this. These are the inputs. These are the colors. Yes, come on. Okay, so just click OK. It will appear. The same thing for the easy indicator, for the easy trade rather. Just drag it. Okay, now for the easy trade, what you need to do is to make sure this push notification is showing through. If it's not showing through, double click on it, it will show through. If you double click on it, it will show false. Now this is so that it will notify you when the signal comes. It will ring an alarm, to ring a notification sound for you. Okay, it will play a notification sound for you. Okay, so after that you click OK and it will be done. So me, I don't want to click OK because I already have it, so I'll click cancel. I already have it. I don't want to disrupt the settings. So that's just how it is done. It is as simple as that. And then you will start having this. Take notes again. Whenever it appears like this, if only one appear, don't take the trade. Wait for the second one to appear. But if the second one doesn't appear, know that that setup is invalid. Leave it. As soon as the second one appears, that's a confirmation. Take your trade. If price is somewhere here, let's assume price is somewhere here. You sell. Make sure your stop loss comes above here, right? Let the stop loss come above, and that's it. So you are good. You can now ride the trade until you see the next setup. All right, until you see the next arrow appear. That's why you can now close. All right, now as this one, both of them appear, the assuming is somewhere here, you can just take your buy and then your stop loss will come below here. That's it. Then you keep holding until an opposite signal appears, until this stuff appears above telling you to sell. That time you now close and sell. It's just as simple as that. Believe me, you are going to be making a lot of profit from this. So guys, that is just it. It's not a long video, and I believe it is very straightforward and easy to understand. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and also drop your location in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group for free signals and chat setups on daily basis. You can see we've made a lot of profits already today with the signals, the chat setups we traded. Look at these massive profits that we made already. So join our Telegram group for free and enjoy the benefits. If you want to reach me directly, you can contact me. You can reach me via Telegram also for mentorship, for account management, and for this indicator or any other business at all. Reach me directly. Okay guys, so this is the Alpha Trade, and as always, it can only get better. Goodbye.